Yes, be ready. Start. Sir, I rise to offer my reactions and make my observations in this debate on planning full stop. I feel this debate is taking place at the most appropriate time because the guidelines and the objectives, though limited for the seventh 5 year plan, are being finalized and are being fixed full stop. Sir, the objectives are there, full stop. The Planning Commission fixes the physical targets as against the volume of expenditure as fixed against the mobilized resources, full stop. But these physical targets, according to me, are offset according to me because of three reasons, full stop. Firstly, a large sector of our economy is not within the control of the Planning Commission, full stop. I would cite that the sectors of cement, energy, coal and railways, full stop. These have become very sensitive, so much so a slightest change here and there will offset the targets which have been fixed by the Planning Commission, full stop. Then I come to the second point, which is very important point, full stop. The Finance Commission, as per our constitution, has been authorized to make every time certain recommendations, full stop. One of the recommendations is that whenever there are natural calamities like drought, like floods, like earthquakes and so on, then the loans which are to be advanced to the states are to be advanced from the plans which are to be projected by the states concerned, full stop. Next stanza. We know in our country more or less every state suffers from these calamities within a short span of 5 years, and therefore the plans of the states also suffer, full stop. A remedy will have to be found for this purpose, full stop. Then, sir, the third reason is that although we fix the growth rate in general and in the industrial sector in particular, we have no built-in mechanism to see that the benefits and the gains of the plans are justly and equitably distributed among all the person spread all over the country, full stop. Then, sir, I come to a very important point which has been a point of discussion and a point of controversy whenever any demands are made or any budget proposals are discussed in this house, full stop. This is about the development of the background areas, full stop. This is particularly so because I came from an area where all the 5 districts are industrially background as declared by the Planning Commission, full stop. Let me first point out that there is a misconception about the whole thing, full stop, over.